Life of it. Dad's entertainment.
Yeah.
That's what Dad's life. Check.
Yeah.
Ha.
Yeah. Cause this is the life of a dads. I'm a father in the game like a dad. And I'ma show you the ropes like your dad.
What?
The life of dads. Yeah, this is the life of a dad.
Tell him.
I'm a father in the game like a dad. And I'ma show you the ropes like your dad.
What?
Yeah, the life of
Hello,
dads.
sons and daughters. I'm your long lost father. This is what I do.
Yo, what up guys, this is Lord the Dads from the DadzLife YouTube channel, and today we come to do a very special review for Crodial. Crodial sent us one of their lighting kits so that we could do a review and unboxing, also a refurbishing of an area in the home. It's a 6-pack lighting kit, 12-watt landscape lighting kit from Crodial. So we're going to show some pictures, we're going to show some vids, and we're going to look out for all the reviews and what we got from it. So guys, we want to thank Crodial for today. They actually sent this stuff. It took us about 2 weeks because we actually had to do over a whole spot in the backyard. It's a part that have steps, and we did it over, and we want to show you how it look afterwards. So guys, look out for it. It's a big deal today. We'll be doing the 6-pack 12-watt landscape lighting kit from Crodial. Big up Crodial every time for sending us the kit. You don't know, respect due. So as we said, we did the refurbishing of the area from Crodial with the lighting kit. It was a very specific area we took with some steps. We did it over. We actually refurbished the area. We're gonna put some pics right here. And what we did was, it was a very easy installation. We called our friend Roy. Roy did some of the work, and he helped set up the lighting kit in the ground. And then we are able to show you the reveal at the end. So guys, it was a very big deal. When you look on it, it really upscaled the area. We've gotten a lot of compliments about it, and it helped with security. It helped with the aesthetic. As you can see, we're showing some pictures right here, and it really uplifted the area. So we want to thank Crodial especially for sending that lighting kit. It was a great thing, big deal. Bless up Crodial, because the lighting kits are top notch, great quality, easy installation, and it uplifted the area not only security wise but aesthetic wise as well. So big up them every time, because we really loved how it came out. As you can see, it's great for the seating area, it's great for at night, all of the above. We want to thank everybody for looking at it, bigging up the video, because you don't know, this is another video where we need to go up, big in views, big in likes, as you say. Crodial, and Crodial also sent me a discount code, which I'm going to put into the links, and you can look on it in the description and check it out, as well as their website. So big up yourself, and the link to the product. So big up yourself every time. You don't know, Lord the Dads from the DadzLife YouTube channel. Boom.
Life of it. Dad's entertainment.
Yeah.
That's what Dad's life. Check.
Yeah. Yeah. Cause this is the life of a dads. I'm a father in the game like a dad. And I'm